welcome back to my channel, Just Ria. I am Ria, and if you are new here, welcome, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back. You guys, I know how I have been gone for a minute, like 30 days, I think. So you probably are wondering, where have I been? What have I been doing? Why have I not been posting? Am I done with YouTube? Did I fall off the earth? Like, what is going on with sis? Well, sis needed a break because I ran myself down creatively doing the 31 Vlogmas for Christmas. And you guys, I have learned that daily uploads is not for your girl. I've tried it and it's not for me. I cannot do that. So going forward, you will never, ever get a Vlogmas from me again. Like, that was the only one, and if you want me to do one, I will refer you to that playlist, period. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna get into a look today. I am inspired to do a makeup look today, so that is exactly what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to use a pigment. For some reason, they have been calling my name, even though I have not been doing any makeup. I think I did makeup twice since December 31st. And that was to do an interview with Miss Lori at the Grown Women's Table. I will link that video here, you guys. Go check out her channel, It's Lori's Life, and check out the interview and all of her other videos because sis is the bomb.com. Okay? Now, moving forward, I'm going to be using the beautiful, beautiful Queendom palette. So if you don't got it, you're not going to be able to get it right now because I have the website shut down. But all of that stuff will be coming back soon. Just bear with me, of course. If you're signed up to the email list, you will definitely hear that first. And if you are not signed up to the email list, I'm sorry, you won't be able to sign up just yet because it's shut down. But make sure to follow us on Instagram at Urban Vibes Cosmetics to get that info. Moving on, you guys. So let's just get into this look. Woo. If you are not familiar with the Queendom palette, it is a 30 pan palette, and this is the colors. I'm just gonna get into this look. That's what I want to do. I'm ready to get into the look. So I am going to be working with a different shade of colors. So just bear with me while I get my crap together over here. Again, I haven't been at my station in a while, maybe only twice, and it wasn't really much that I did. So everything is in disarray, but I'm gonna get it back together, okay? I'm gonna get it together. All right, so I am using the Urban Vibes Cosmetics base. This is what it looks like. Is it gonna focus? There it is, I think. And the consistency is that of a concealer. Some people, some of the Urban Beauties have used it as an actual foundation. I would not recommend that, but they say that it works great. So to each its own, but yeah. Some of them say that it's their perfect shade, but like I said, to each its own. And I'm just gonna pat that. I'm just gonna bring it under because I have so much in excess. There we go. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And one thing that I don't worry about with this base is, oh my gosh, I put this base on and I'm not even through with this eye and now it's gonna dry. One thing about Urban Vibes Cosmetics base is it will pull the color even if it dries. It's like a soft drying base, if that makes any sense. I hope it does. I'm gonna go into some black. I don't even know where all of my Sonia G brushes are. Like, that's literally, oh, I did not want that to go on like that, but we'll just buff it out. Dang it. and it's still pulling like that. I'll just make it work, you guys. That's what I gotta do, just make it work. I wanted it to get on like that, but this is what I got. Let's get a little closer, you guys. So at this moment, I'm only going to be focusing on the eyes. I'm going to not talk and just do the eyeshadow makeup and put some music on for you guys. So I hope that's okay. So for reference, the color that I just went in was Dungeon. It is the black. The only black in the palette. The next shade that I'm gonna go in is Ruby. It is like a brick red to kind of lighten up this black a little bit. And I'm gonna bring it all the way here. Just keep wanding back and forth from here to here. Really don't need to add any more color to the brush. Just use what's on it. I'm gonna use Royalty. Okay, you guys, so this is where I'm gonna come in with the pigment. I'm gonna use crushed lemons. These pigments, they have a, like a little shifter, or what is it? I want to say it's a sifter. So like a little compartment to where all of your pigment just won't be, as soon as you open it, it's falling out. So you have to kind of twist it to unlock it. And I thought that that was really neat. So guys, at first, this blue was not showing up. So in order to get it to show up, I had to melt it. I had to melt this. And then use it like this. So hopefully the look turns out okay. I'm not done yet, but we're gonna carry on. All right, you guys, so I have zoomed you guys back out and we're just gonna go ahead and get this face done. Let's see what I'm gonna work with today. I think that I'm gonna use Pretty Fresh. Let's get that down. Oh, yeah, this tea is so good. It's called Southern Belle. Better get you one. Only because I haven't done it in a while. Let's use Makiage. Let's see if a year later I still think this is my match. This is the shade 230 Woke Up Like This foundation by Makiage. So I have shaken it up because I haven't used it in a while. And let's just, I'm gonna put it on my hand to warm it up first. I use 2 pumps. I'm gonna use my Tarte foundation brush. Let's zoom you guys in. This is me applying it to my skin, just brushing it in. Let's do the other side. Because I literally just use 2 pumps for one side. And that's normally not me. So knowing what I know about makeup now, that leads me to believe that this is buildable. This is a buildable foundation. because I would not normally ever have to use 4 pumps of anything. But just for y'all, this is 2 pumps. And we're gonna go in on this side. This is the difference. This is the side that I applied it to. This is the side that I have not. And I just dabbed my brush in it and let's see. Let's get the rest of this face covered. Okay. So let me know what you guys think about this coverage. If you're new to my channel, then you probably would not have known that I've tried Il Makiage before, but I haven't dipped and dabbed in it since that video actually. So, you know, my preference then probably isn't my preference now. So if it was something that I didn't like about it then, I may actually like it now. But this is the finish. And we are going to go ahead and use some concealer. I don't have Il Makiage concealer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Age Rewind. And I'm just going to put this right here. I'm actually going to use a concealer brush to move this product about, but first I'm going to contour. I'm going to contour with my Fenty matchsticks. I still love these. They are great for people on the go. And not that I'm on the go today, but I kind of don't want to use a bunch of products like that I know would overshadow this one. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make sure that I just use subtle products so that I can actually see how this foundation wears. So the Fenty contour does blend easily with this. And that's something else that I wanted to see, because I know some foundations, when I use these contour sticks, they don't work as good. And my mirror is over here, right here. So that's why I keep looking that way. Let me know if I should change it to over here. But then I feel like this view you can see. This video is hella long too. I'm gonna have to really edit this. So I'm doing this video on January 31st, but you probably won't get it till the first week of February, because I want to take my time and edit. I just don't want to put anything else, you know, just anything out. I want to actually take my time. And that's what I'm focusing on this year, is actually taking my time in everything that I do. Just not rushing, you know? Okay, double chin gone. All right. Now I'm going to work with this concealer. Age Rewind blends very good, you guys. If you're looking for like a really nice, inexpensive concealer, this one's good. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm gonna use this liner because it's clear and I got a lot going on with my eyes and I don't want to take away from that. So I'm gonna use this. And then the lashes that I'm gonna use is the Urban Vibes Cosmetics Amina lashes. These have become to be my favorite, you guys. So let's get into it. neck lash. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna put a lippy on and we're gonna be done. Hey. So this wraps up the video, you guys. I have completed my look. I can tell that I haven't dipped in makeup in a while because this video literally took 50 minutes. Like, I have two 25-minute clips that I have to edit, so bear with me. But I think patience is a virtue and the look turned out beautiful. I am very happy with the way that it came out. So make sure you guys leave me some comment sections below. Leave me some video ideas because my creative mind is just all over the place right now. So I'm trying to make sure that I stay grounded and do videos that you guys like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Or don't forget, you guys can DM me if you have access to me on Instagram. If you want access, all you have to do is request to follow me. And you guys, thank you so much. And I will see you guys in another video. If you're not subscribed, I hope by the time that you reach it to this end, you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.